What is a DKIM record? A DKIM record is a digital signature that is added on the email header, and it acts as a form of authentication, verifying that email was sent from sender's email server to the recipient email server, and in between email was not altered or compromised. How does the DKIM record work? When the email sent from sender email server, that time sender email server generates the digital signature based on the message content and the header, and this signature is then encrypted and added to the email's header as the DKIM record. Then message or the email goes to the recipient exchange server. Recipient exchange server then retrieve the DKIM public key from the domain, from the email that came, right? That from that domain, it's retrieve the public key, decrypt the email header, and see the based on the signature, it checks if there is any mismatch. If the recipient server found any mismatch, then that time only it stamped as a failed DKIM, and then this is how the DKIM record work. Why is the DKIM record important? Because DKIM records provide an additional layer of security for email message, helping to prevent email spoofing and phishing attack. Email spoofing is when malicious individual or any hackers try to send an email that appears to be from sender's domain, right, trusted source, and often this intention is to get the sensitive information, right? And if you have proper DKIM record in place, the recipient server will check, okay, this email is not came from the proper domain, reject that email on the DNS level. So this is how the DKIM work and the importance of the DKIM. And in addition to the security benefit, DKIM record also can improve the email deliverability, because many email servers nowadays use DKIM as an additional factor for a spam filtering algorithm. In the spam filtering algorithm, having a valid DKIM record can increase the chances that your emails will reach to the recipient's inbox. And how to set up a DKIM record, I will show you now. How to set up a DKIM record? You need to generate a unique DKIM key and add to your domain DNS record. The specific steps will verify the depending on your domain register, but generally you will need to access your DNS record and add the TST record with your DKIM key information. I will show you how to generate the unique DKIM key. So for that you need to come on the security.microsoft.com. In here, please go to the policy and rules, and then thread policies, and under this you will see the email authentication settings. When you click on this, and the second tab is the DKIM, right? So now you will see your all the verified domains you will see here, and it's a authoritative, right? So I can click on this and see now currently it's a disabled for this because I have not set up the DKIM record for my domain as of now. So I'll click this enable, and it will generate the DKIM key for me, the unique key for me, right? This is its key is generated, and I just need to copy this. So I need to copy all this one notepad. So I got this information, and this like long information showing because I have not enabled my DKIM as of now. So I need to extract the unique value from this. So I'll just quickly edit this domain name. This is my domain, and the host name is this, and it should be the point to address or the value this, and then the another record host sector 2 domain key, and the points to address value this, and the rest of the things I just don't need, so I just delete. So this is my record that I need to add in my DNS and create a CNAME record, and then it will. So let me jump on to my DNS portal, and let me open my manage DNS for the easyfirstsecurity.com, and I'll create a CNAME record here. If you do CNAME record, I'll just create add record. I'll add the host as a sector 1 domain key, and I will point to the, see, I'll show you here. So I'll copy this value, copy, and then I'll add value here and save, and then I'll add another record, cname, add pad sector 2 domain key, this one, and the value I will add this key is publicly available, so you anytime you can see this. There is no security issue for me, so you can check anytime. Now I have added this, and it change the DNS record may take up to 48 hours, but let's anyways, I'll just keep let me enable this, and let's see if Office 365 detects that. It's not, so I'll try after some time and I will show you once this enables. Now you can see after the 5 minutes it shows that my DKIM key signature is enabled, and I'm just clicking OK, and you see the last checking time is this. But see the rotation of DKIM key, now DKIM key is generated, and it's I published also, right? Good security practice is at least once in a year you should rotate the DKIM key, update your DNS server, DNS entry with updated DKIM key, so that you have a proper security. Yeah, this is a small demo for DKIM, and the next video I will talk about DMARC record, how you can set up and what is the importance of DMARC record, and where you can use it. Yeah, that's thanks, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you. Happy learning. Bye.